You've just been promoted to Group Product Manager. Overnight, your problem count multiplies. 5 squads, 3 overlapping roadmaps, 1 CFO who wants a single number for product ROI. Welcome to product management at scale, where the game shifts from polishing features to choreographing an orchestra. Let's tour the new arena. When we change focus, I'll simply say now we'll talk about the next part. From single roadmap to product portfolio. In a startup, you asked, what's the next feature? At scale, you ask, which product line gets the next dollar? Portfolio thinking weighs market size, strategic fit, and resource burn. Adobe, for instance, funnels cash from mature Photoshop into risky bets like Substance 3D. The portfolio hedges disruption without starving the cash cow. Now we'll talk about strategic themes and cascading OKRs. Leadership crafts 3 annual themes, say, AI-powered workflows, international expansion, and operational excellence. Your job is to translate those into measurable OKRs for every squad. Example, theme, AI workflows. Group OKR, ship AI suggestions to 2 flagship apps. Squad backlog item, integrate GPT prompt in desktop client. Alignment turns dozens of backlogs into a single company heartbeat. Now we'll talk about scaled agile coordination. Frameworks like SAFe run program increments, 8 12-week cadences, where multiple teams plan together, demo together, and retrospect together. As product lead, you prep the PI objectives, negotiate capacity with release-train engineers, and ensure dependencies, design ops, shared APIs, land early. Atlassian's triad of triads pattern uses cross-squad syncs twice a week to kill blockers fast. Now we'll talk about product operations, the secret backbone. As team count grows, rituals bog down, enter product ops. They standardize tools, 1 roadmap, 1 OKR dashboard, curate user research repositories, and manage experiment taxonomies so learnings aren't lost in Slack oblivion. LinkedIn's product ops team reportedly saved 20% PM time by automating quarterly metric reports. Now we'll talk about managing up to the C-suite executives speak in cash, risk, and timeline. Craft a 2-page strategy brief, vision, portfolio map, key bets, risks, and ask. Use a single KPI per product line and a red, yellow, green status bar. Brevity earns airtime. Clarity earns budget. Now we'll talk about org design. Feature horizontals versus market verticals. Horizontal, by platform or component. Spotify's Playback Tribe owns audio everywhere. Web, mobile, TV. Pros, deep expertise, reused code. Cons, potential customer tunnel vision. Vertical, by segment. HubSpot splits by SMB versus enterprise. Pros, end-to-end accountability, tighter GTM. Cons, duplicate tech stacks. The right choice follows your strategy. If differentiation is domain expertise, go vertical. If scale comes from shared tech, go horizontal. Now we'll talk about conflict arbitration at scale sales. Screams for custom contracts. Security flags compliance gaps. Engineering hits capacity walls. Use a decision matrix. List options. Rate against weighted criteria. Revenue, risk, effort. Bring data to emotion fights. People respect math even when their pet feature loses. Real mini case, Slack platform. When Slack hit 10 million DAU, plugin approvals bottlenecked. Slack appointed a platform GPM, spun a dedicated review squad, and set a quarterly OKR, approved 95% of app submissions within 5 days. Product ops built a Zendesk workflow, engineering automated lint checks. Result, App Store count tripled without quality dip. Portfolio win. Leadership shift, coach the PMs. Your new deliverable is decision velocity. Mentor juniors on rice scoring. Unblock stakeholder wars. Champion their wins to execs. Schedule monthly PM guild sessions. Share postmortems, experiment wins, and fireside chats with UX researchers. Rising tide, rising boats. Quick checklist for scale readiness. Map portfolio investments to strategic themes. Cascade OKRs down to squad backlog language. Stand up product ops for tooling and data hygiene. Pick org structure that matches growth thesis. Report upward with concise, metric-driven briefs. Coach PMs, your leverage is now exponential. Master these levers and you'll turn product sprawl into a synchronized growth engine.